brief an upgrade to our health and dental benefits package. Oh, I'm afraid. Bottom line is I can't give you a raise. So I'll just go ahead and make sure you get those files. And try to have the figures to me by Wednesday, with the follow-up reports on Thursday or Friday. I hate to do this to you, but you know, you're the only dependable guy we've got. Memories, Andy. Memories. When I was your age, hold on to it as long as you can. These years. You're a good kid.
Bryce, dude, just chill. You telling me you can't entertain a couple ladies for 2 seconds? Order some margaritas. I'll be there in 5.
Hey Andy, what's up? Long day at the office. I got some DVDs. You like Will Ferrell, right? Seriously though. Rent's due. Yeah. So, you think you might be able to take care of that for me? Awesome. You are awesome. That's 2 T's. 2 T's, yeah. Excellent. I think this weekend I might be having a little
Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. I'm so cool. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. No, they were still at my apartment this morning. Of course I kicked her out. No, not the cute one. I let her sleep in.
There's my boy, Andy. You better be careful or one of these days you're gonna have my job. I doubt it. Betty! Betty!
Becky.
Betty! Why don't you help out Andy once in a while, okay? You two, teamwork. It's all about teamwork. She makes a great cup of coffee. You kids play nice. Now, people.
Hey Andy, just wanted to let you know your lease is coming up soon. So if you're thinking about renewing, rates have gone up. Oh, no. You don't have to do that just yet. Just sign this. Get it back to me when you can. We should go out sometime. I'll buy you a Michelob Ultra. Yeah, right. Hey, buddy. We're such great friends. Don't I sound young and hip? Pop culture reference. Anyway, all I really care about is your money. So, do you think you could get me that friend?
Stuck where you are, but in your dreams you can buy expensive cars or live on Mars and have it your way. And you hate your boss at your job, but in your dreams you can blow his head off. In your dreams, show no mercy. You know your bad days will end.
Andy. I'm gonna have to be honest with you. The situation isn't pretty. The timetable's been moved up. They want tomorrow's work today. They want today's work yesterday. And yesterday's work, well, that was crap. So you're gonna have to do it all over again. Sorry, champ. On my desk, bright and early.
Hey there, sport. I got your paper. Do you want your paper? Oh, yes, you do. Do you? Yes, you do. Now sit down. Oh, yeah. You want it? Come get it. Now stand up. Oh, good boy. Good boy. All right, come and get it. All right. You want your paper? Come and get it now. You got it. Good boy. Yeah. You want your paper, don't you? You want your paper? Come and get it. Come right now. Come and get your paper. Right now!
thought we could go to lunch.
Yeah, about that, I've got some meetings with some clients. Yeah.
Okay, baby. Dinner, baby. Thought we could go to lunch. Thought we could go to lunch.
Meetings with some clients.
Hey, baby. Thought we could go to lunch.
Well, he's in a coma, but otherwise he's completely stable. If you ask me, he's lucky. He should be dead. Unfortunately, we have no way of knowing if he'll ever wake up. He couldn't have picked a better time. New health insurance policy just kicked in last week. Looks like your employer is going to be footing the bill.